Ow! We're back! They're still smoking. What are these, Toyo MTs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Open country MTs. So what are we putting on these? He's putting more Toyo country MTs.
Yeah. Tom, you need new tires, a radiator.
Well everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So today I just want to first start off and say thank you. Thank you everyone. We hit 1,000 subscribers and I couldn't have done it without all your guys' support. So I truly appreciate that. All the comments, all the Instagrams, all the Facebook inboxes, just everything. You know, I hope to get back to all you guys, and I'm very thankful for you guys, so thank you so much. Little update on the truck today. So it's about 46 degrees upstate New York. Today is Wednesday for me. I'm not sure when I'm gonna have this uploaded for you guys yet, but I have the opportunity. We're gonna clean up the truck, clean up the engine bay a little bit. You know, this is gonna be my first really good wash in probably the last, I don't know, 3 weeks, maybe a month. So I'm really looking forward to get this cleaned up. I'm gonna get the inside cleaned up, and just, you know, I'm just ecstatic that we've got a nice, call it a spring day, an early spring day. I'm not really sure, but I'm really looking forward to just getting this truck cleaned up, getting the salt off, and, you know, just being clean. Today is a day that reminds me of the wheels, and hopefully I can get them put on in the next, I'm hoping 30 days or less. So a couple more rain showers here. As long as we don't get any more snow, the wheels will be coming back out. You guys are gonna love that video. Did want to give you an update as far as my cleaning exhaust filter light. It's still on, so they are working on it on the back side of things, and we just haven't had a resolution yet. So I've discovered that I'm not the only one experiencing this, whether you have a PPI tune or motor ops tune. This seems to be something that comes on once you hit a certain amount of miles on your truck. It's not something that you notice as soon as you flash it, and I probably put about 2,000 miles on this truck since I've had it tuned, and that's about when it came on for me. So you know, these people, they don't know until they know it, and you know, once it's brought to their attention, I'm sure it's going to get fixed and cleaned up. So all you guys that are worried about tuning your truck still, I wouldn't let this hold you up, because the drivability is fine, everything else is fine. It's just an annoying light that won't let me see my, you know, driver information center. So I'm in the middle of cleaning the truck right now, and this is one of the reasons why I love to clean the truck, but I also hate it. Check this out. The tolls of winter. We've got rock chips all over the front bumper. Makes me sick to my stomach. And this is primarily due to the cause of rock salt and trucks laying them all winter long. So this is getting painted this spring. I'm gonna have to find a good shop in Rochester to take care of it for me. I might get a clear bra put on it, because I've already had this bumper painted once before, and this is just this is just ridiculous. It makes me sick to my stomach. So now let's get to the content and subject matter of this video. So I'm sure you guys have heard me maybe in the past couple videos talk about how my edge wasn't working as soon as I tuned the truck. Here's one clip below if I haven't posted it in any of the other videos.
So what just happened?
I've been experiencing a problem with my edge CTS not picking up all the PIDs. So yeah, I haven't had any luck with my edge working to the extent that it's supposed to be working. It wasn't picking up any of the PIDs. It wasn't registering exhaust gas temp. I didn't have the gear select. I couldn't get fuel pressure, desired rail pressure. I couldn't get any of the things that I was used to before I tuned my truck. And it was driving me nuts. I was wondering, is this something that I did wrong? Is there something wrong with edge? Is there something wrong with the tunes? Was something installed incorrectly? hemmed and hawed for about 3 weeks trying to go back and forth and figure out what was going on. So what actually happened, and it's my fault, is Edge does not recognize lowercase letters in your VIN. So when I did the ECM swap, I was lazy and I just typed in the VIN with lowercase letters and numbers, and since everything else worked fine, I figured I did everything correctly. Well, that's not the case. Come to find out, the Edge only reads uppercase letters and numbers. So what I had to do is change my VIN number out. Well, that's not as easy as it always is or seems, because the HB Tuner's VIN process change is a pain. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. I've seen on the forums, I've seen on Instagram, I've seen on Facebook, having problem changing the VIN. It's like 50-50 with the HB Tuner software and infrastructure and interface to get the VIN to change. So I went into the VCM scanner or editor or whatever one it is where you can do replace ECM or change ECM or change VIN, and it wasn't letting me change the VIN. It'd say VIN change failed over and over and over again. So what I ended up having to do is going to have to find someone that either had an AutoCal or a V2 around here, and I didn't have one. This is my first diesel. I've never tuned anything in the past. So that's how I ended up at RJ's. That's what I was doing over there when I pulled in and they were screwing around with the truck and just kind of having a blast and having some fun.
Sounds like a Ford.
Oh, he's gonna blow a tire.
What is he doing?
RJ!
Now, what is that? A 6 what? It's a 6.7? Oh, these are like drag radials.
So as you can see in that clip, RJ was having a hard time getting the traction control off. So I guess on that model truck or in the Fords, I don't think we have it on our trucks, but there's not just traction control, but there's an advanced traction control. So once you figured that out and got that turned off, it was just a smoke show the rest of the way. So I'll let you guys check that out now.
So what's wrong with this piece?
Drag control off. Advanced track off.
I think I do better than that. Are you next? Oh my gosh.
Guys, if your edge isn't working like mine wasn't working and you think you've done everything else appropriately, make sure that you have put capital letters in your VIN. So that's it, and that's why it wasn't working. So it's working now. So as you can see, it's working now. I have everything that I'm used to having. Again, I've got gear select, and when the torque converter locks up, desired fuel rail pressure. I know I have RPM below, but I also like seeing it here. Boost, exhaust gas temps, fuel PSI, and I don't know, I have battery over there. But what I want to know is, what do you guys have your edge monitoring for you? What's some of your setups? Drop comments below, let me know, because I'd be interested if there's something that I should be monitoring that I'm not, especially with everything that I've got done to this truck. And you know, there's a lot of people out there that are a lot more intelligent than I am, and I would value your opinion. So, came out pretty good. I'm happy with it for where we are in the midst of winter. Alright everybody, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We are going to be racing that 6.7 this year, so you guys are definitely going to want to turn into that one. I'm going to smoke them, so it's a no contest. But anyways, again, thank you for 1,000. I'm very humbled and I appreciate all your support. Thinking about doing a giveaway one of these days. Just not sure what I plan on doing for that yet or how I'm going to structure it, but I am planning on doing something just to give something back to you guys. Again, I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Press that notification bell to find out when I'm posting new videos, and hit that like button and share. I appreciate everything that you guys have walked through with me on this voyage of YouTube and Duramax build. We've got a lot coming up for this truck this year. So much stuff is planned, and you know, I'm looking forward to take you guys through this build with me. So you guys have a great week. Thank you for tuning in. I gotta see you on the next upload. Bye.